Hello, I'm Wu from Sound King Group, now offering you some operational skills for Sound King DM20. In the following episode, I will introduce you how to insert a single fax. First of all, we connect one channel with the mic. By touching the channel section, we may see the 8 fax module provided by DM20. They are 2 modulation, 2 delay, 2 reverb, 2 GEQ. Now we push upward the fader for mic to test the mic.
Hey,
No reverb effect. Now we tap the delay module to test the mic. We have obtained a delay effect by inserting a mic. Now we close the delay module. Open a reverb module to test the mic. We successfully inserted a reverb effect. We may enter into the system control and then the sub-page of fax to adjust the dry-wet ratio of the delay effect. And the times of repeating delays. By those 2 functional adjustments, we may control the ups and downs of both HF and LF so as to get a satisfactory effect. In the same way, we may control the lasting time and dry-wet ratio of reverb effect. Also ups and downs of both HF and LF. In the below section, I will introduce a method frequently used in live performance to control fax through faders. Firstly, select a channel that needs to add fax and enter into the bus send layer. Send this fax to bus 1 and bus 2 and adjust it to post fader mode. Also adjust the volume. Enter into bus layer, find out bus 1 and bus 2. Enter into output bus layer to add a delay effect for bus 1 and send it to channels that need this effect. Adjust it to the mode of post fader and change volume of the effect. Now the delay effect of bus 1 is accomplished. We now can switch quickly to bus 2 by fast switching the channels. We add a reverb effect for bus 2 and send this effect to the output channels that we need. Also adjust it to the mode of post fader and change the volume. Now we finished adding a delay effects for bus 1, a reverb effects for bus 2. Now we turn to input interface to test the mic. Push the fader for mic and open the mic. We have not got a reverb effects now. Enter into the bus layer to activate the pre-established delay effect by pushing the bus 1 fader. Open the mic to test it. Well, we get a pre-established delay effect. Now we test the bus 2 fader to offer us a reverb effect. Now we get a comparatively small reverb effect. In live performance, we may open either delay or reverb effect. Also can open simultaneously both effects to get a satisfying result. First, we choose an input signal that we need to send and enter into the overall output interface. Here we see by default this mixer sends this signal to LR main output bus, which is controlled by the master fader. Now we take a test. We push the signal fader to see if we could get a mic response without any behavior. Now we get a group of input signal without any configuration. We send this group of signal to single track 1 to 4 and stereo track 5 to 8. To do that, we need firstly press the send knob and then press all the mute knobs to show all the channels that need to be sent to. We need also press all the solo knobs to set the value to 0. Adjust the model to post fader. Press the send knob to return. Now we finished sending this group of signal. When we quit the interface, we may see the signal has been successfully sent to all buses from 1 to 8 in the bus section. Now we enter into the route interface to check out the matching status between bus output faders and the physical output interfaces. Now we are looking at the output state of the mixer by default. Out 1 to out 8 corresponds to physical interfaces 1 to 8 in the rear panel. Now physical interfaces 1 to 4 corresponds to output faders 1 to 4. 5 and 6, bus 5 stereo track output fader. 7 and 8, overall master fader. By default, bus 6, 7, and 8 output faders do not match any interface in the rear panel. By tapping the custom module, we may match bus 6, 7, and 8 with the physical output interfaces. Now we match output 6 with bus 6 fader, output 7 with bus 7 fader, output 8 with bus 8 fader. Now bus 6, 7, 8 has been matched up with the physical output interfaces in the rear panel.